Common formative assessment and its benefits. Common formative assessments are deliberate, team-designed measurements used to track students' progress toward important learning goals throughout the teaching process. Common formative evaluation enables teams to review the results of their activities and get insight into which educational tactics result in superior understanding in order to provide information about whether students require more assistance or extension. Additionally, students may receive regular feedback from teachers using the data to modify their own studying tactics. Understanding variances that may result from culture, family dynamics, evolved intelligent beings, and learning styles is also necessary for engaging students in learning. Teachers must be able to ask difficult questions, listen intently, and evaluate student work attentively. For their students to be able to discover ideas, gather and synthesize the information, and analyze and solve issues, teachers must be knowledgeable about curriculum materials and technology. Common formative assessments are purposeful, jointly created benchmarks used to monitor students' advancement towards significant learning objectives during the instructional process. In order to determine if students need further help or extensions, teams can analyze the outcomes of their operations and get information on which instructional strategies produce superior knowledge. Teachers may also provide frequent information to learners and use the information to alter their own study habits. The best part is that formative evaluations are potent instruments for individualized learning. Formative evaluations have the drawback of taking time, often more time than teachers think they have. It requires more time than giving a single exam at the conclusion of a course or unit to assess students' learning continually. Since formative evaluations typically do not result in a grade and have minimal stakes, they might deter people from enrolling entirely in the activity. Summative assessments are required to assess student achievement by contrasting it to a standard or benchmark at the conclusion of a unit of teaching. Therefore, effective formative assessment use enhances student engagement in learning and exam performance. According to a related study, students who consciously their studying obtain much better grades than those who do not. In order to make modifications to lessons, instructional strategies, and academic assistance, performance evaluation appropriate instructional discover ideas that people are experiencing trouble understanding, abilities they are having trouble picking up, or learning requirements they have not yet attained. Since regular data gathering, investigation, presentation, and plan revision are necessary for formative assessment to be successful, it can be a time and resource-intensive process. Teachers emphasize memorizing facts and solely emphasize topic understanding. The intended learning is not produced as a result. Metacognitive strategies are prioritized during formative evaluation. Teachers who are professionally prepared and capable of analyzing the mastery requirements and developing reasonable steps to gauge students' progress are crucial to undertaking the formative assessment adequately. Expertise in formative assessment can help with the procedure and show people how to create high-quality tests. Any formative assessment planning process that is created and carried out by a cooperative instructional team is more reliable. The partnership among instructors offers a chance for considerable professional growth and enhanced instructional efficacy, particularly for those who teach conventional courses and curricula. The formative evaluation must be deeply entrenched in the curriculum's desired educational objectives. Following the identification of the learning objective, the achievement criteria are developed to specify what the learner will be able to achieve to prove mastery of the objective. Evaluating what each student is learning before the start of the unit is frequently made easier with the use of a pre-assessment.